Well, Sean, it's pretty straightforward what you have here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone knows. So.
Yeah, so like that part, I mean, what else? You got, I mean, well, what's the stats?
Well, it's pretty much bone stock, 6.2 supercharged V8. Obviously, everyone knows that. It does have a mid-muff delete. You know, I have a aftermarket air intake on it, some decals, some tint, but other than that's about it. Maybe down the road do some pulleys, injectors, tune, all that good stuff. But for now, I think it's got enough power. I
think, yeah, I mean, generally these are, yeah.
I mean, so. Much more.
All right, man. Well, let's get some passes. I mean, I can't say I've ever really been in person with one of these, let alone heard one with mid-muffler delete. So
yeah, it sounds pretty good.
We'll see how it sounds.
All right, man.
Cool. You have fun?
Oh yeah, I had a great time.
Good stuff, man. I think this is fastest run so far.
Yeah.
I think you beat out the SS with that, but
I was spinning a ton back there.
Either way, the second run was pretty solid. So, all right, man. Well, cool. Thanks for bringing it up.
Yeah, man. No problem.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be it on that one. Well, we didn't have the in-cabin footage going up first, so Here's the second outro for Shawn because now we have a camera in the cabin filming. But cool, man. Did you have was traction control on there when you were down there?
No,
it, like, it made like no smoke. It was really weird.
My trap mode is kind of like a line lock for like 20-30 miles an hour, and then when it feels like it's good, it lets off, but I still couldn't catch traction after that, so I spun after that.
Yeah.
So
yeah, they sound so cool from that front end. Just hear that supercharger line. But all right, man. Outro number 2, right?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for bringing it up, dude.
Yeah.
All right, that'll be it for this one, guys. For real.